Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today video I will show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. You know my old YouTube videos I'm used, the thumbnail is not pretty good. But recent few months I have created decent YouTube thumbnail that is pretty decent actually. So it's look good and very simple everything, right? So how I create a thumbnail like that? So I am not spending much time for creating a YouTube thumbnail because I am spending more time for editing the video. So let me show you how I create a YouTube thumbnail. You are recording a video in front of your camera, right? Once your recording is done, what you need to do is you are just exporting your video file to your computer, right? Once that is exported, what you need to do is you need to open a Photoshop file, Photoshop app, right? So currently I'm using a Photoshop 2020. So yeah, let me open that one. Yeah, now it's get open. So after that, what you need to do is you can see here now this is my recorded file. So this is recorded and the edited with the Adobe Premiere Pro. After exporting, this is the file I got. So I'm going to use this video file. If you want to use the purely recorded without editing with the Adobe Premiere, that's also fine. Anyway, we are just what you can say, we are just going to select a specific photo of your record, right? So let me open and let me copy to PS Photoshop. So once you drag and move to a Photoshop file, it will showing like this. Here you can see the timeline, so you can drag it and you can pick a one, the good one. So this is how you need to drag it. So let me, okay, so this is how I am dragging this one. So you need to pick a good poster before creating a thumbnail, right? So here just I'm talking. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. So this is looks good. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to image and going to adjust the brightness and all. Let me increase the brightness and the contrast. Okay, this is pretty cool. And other than that, yeah, that's a few of the things I need to increase, and I'm going to export this image, right? So I'm going to export this image now. So right now image I name as image 1. After that, what you need to do is you need to go to file and click on new. So after that you can select film and video, and here you can pick HD TV 1080p, right? So pick this one and you don't need to change anything, and I'm going to use this background white and going to create. Now I have this file and this I have this image also. So let me pick this image first. Let me close this timeline one. Now what you need to do is, once you click this one, you can see the quick action in the right side panel. You can see quick action. Using this you can remove the background, so the white background is get removed. Now this is how our things is look like. You can see here now some of the what you can say the image get cropped basically. So you can do it manually also. So how I do manually is I just pick this what you can say, this quick selection tool, and selecting manually. So if something goes out, you can use alt key, right, and you can slightly select the other sections of your photo, right. So now let me remove quickly this one. I'm using this mouse pad, laptop mouse pad, that's why a little slow I'm picking the image. So anyway, now I think okay, here also I need to, okay, so this is pretty much I need to select from. So what I need to do is right now select this one and just take it, this photo, and move it to your other layer, right. So once it's done, what you need to do is you can adjust and keep move. You can place your image wherever you want. So once it's done, this is how I place the image. So once it's done, you need to add some text to your thumbnail, right. So for choosing a text, I will show you a new website. You can download the font for free, that is DaFont. You can Google it, dafonts.com. Then you can find this link, DaFont download font, right, DaFont. So you click this DaFont link, and then you will get redirect to this page. So here you can see plenty of what you can say, plenty of fonts we can see in this website, and you can download it for free, right. So you can see a bunch of beautiful fonts we can see here. So if you are going to download one, so what you need to do is you can click this download, so it will be get download the file. So then open, and after that you need to just install this TTF. So double click this TTF, and you can see the type here. So just do install, right. So now it will install. So the name is Codigra, right. So let's see in our if we going to use this text, that code what you can say, the font name is available or not, Codigra. Let's see that, Codigra. Here is the place you can pick the font style. Let's see, Codigra. Okay, it's not available yet. Okay, let's save this one, and let me reopen once again. Always, if you want to use any fonts, always download with the DaFont website. So I saw that that is really a cool website. You can download plenty of fonts, font style, right. So okay, let's see now, Codigra. Okay, Codigra. Okay, here is the font, you can see now. So right now you can see that font is available, right. So it's very straightforward installation. Once you go to that site, DaFont site, you can choose your font, what you can say, font style, and you can download it. And once WinRAR is get downloaded, you just open the WinRAR and use this TTF file and get installed into your computer. So once it's done, if it is not reflect, what you need to do is just restart your Photoshop applications, and then you can pick that. It will get reflect to your drop down, then you can pick it from there. So yeah, that's how we can do it. So anyway, just quickly create the thumbnail which I want. So to do that, just a little bit styling, put a little bit styling everything, and the final output I will show you now. So yeah, I have added the JavaScript logo here. You can align it, and yeah. So let me increase this font size, and after that just at this layer, you can see here, once you choose this layer, what you need to do is you can pick this FX text here, that is adding a style to layer. So once it done, once you click that one, you can click the stroke. So then the layer style will be get open. So here you can adjust the size of the layer, and you can pick the color, and I'll go to pick a different color for this. Okay, I feel like this is okay. Yeah, and yes, yeah, this is okay, cool. And if you want to use a gradient, that's also available. You can pick the gradient also, but here my case I'm going to use with the normal color, so single color, right? So likewise, you can click these images, the image which you remove background image, and you can do the same thing to this image as well. So let me show you that. Look at this, it's come something here, and yeah, this is basically not cropped very well. So you can take some time and crop it very well, because I use my laptop mouse pad. That's the reason it will not get cropped properly, right? So yeah, let me use the gradient and increase the size of this. Pick the different one. I feel like this is very well, so I'm going to pick this one. Yeah, I'm going to pick this one. So this is pretty cool, and yeah, click OK. So yeah, this is pretty much. So if you want to change the background color, so what you need to do is just unlock this background and use these effects, and go to this gradient overlay, I guess. No, not this one. So we can use this texture. So here pick some images. You can see the background will getting changing, right? And yeah, so I think this is okay. So I'm going to use this one. So that's pretty much you need to do the change. So let me increase the font a little bit here. Scopes. Yeah, that's it you need to do. You just need to save it, and let me export and see how it's look like now. Video. Ta-da! This is how it's look like now. So here you can see some of the gaps also there, but when you are cropping, make sure you are cropping properly, so then it will be when you are applying the stroke, it will be pretty good, so it will be get cover every area. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, at least learn something new here, how I creating a YouTube thumbnail. So I don't really not like to spend much more time on creating a YouTube thumbnail because I'm not expert in that area. I just doing the stuff very easy way. So, and also I don't like to spend much more time for creating a YouTube thumbnail. I know thumbnail is the one get attract a user, but the thing is I'm not specialized in that area, right? But somehow I'm learning step by step. You know, my previous video is thumbnails are very bad. At least I learn how to create a pretty decent YouTube thumbnail for my video content. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you also try to create a simple thumbnail for your content also. If you are creating a YouTube contents, or if you don't know about how to create a YouTube thumbnail, I hope this will be definitely help you to create your own thumbnail without using any online platform tools. Then guys, I will catch you on new video. Bye.